Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 2008. Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator.
April 2008. Mathematics 1. Objective test. Duration 1 hour. Question 1. Set M equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on up to 20. Set Q equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And set R equals 2, 3, 5, and 7. If Q and R are subsets of M, find Q intersection R. Q intersection R contains elements that are common to both Q and R. 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, and 7 are common to both Q and R. So Q intersection R equals 3, 5, and 7. So the answer is C.
Question 2. List the members of the set S is greater than or equal to 2. S is less than or equal to 5. This means that S lies between 2 and then 5. But S can be equal to 2, S can be equal to 5. So the numbers are 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the answer is D. Question 3. Round 8,921,465 to the nearest 100. The last 3 digits was pronounced 465. 65 is nearer to 500 than to 400. So the answer is D. Question 4. Write 98 as a product of its prime factors. That is 98. 2 goes here 49. 7 goes here 7. 7 goes here 1. So the product or the prime factors of 98 equals 2 times 7 times 7, which equals to 2 times 7 squared. So the answer is C.
Question 5. Evaluate 4 times into brackets 8 minus 2 plus 5 times into brackets 3 minus 8. That is 4 times into brackets 8 minus 2 plus 5 times into brackets 3 minus 8. We shall first simplify the expressions in the brackets. So 4. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 5. This is 24 plus minus 25. 24 minus 25, which equals to minus 1. So the answer is B.
Question 6. Arrange the following in descending order of magnitude: 0.32, 2/5, 27%, and 1/3. We shall convert all these items into decimals. That is 0.32 is already a decimal, so 0.32. 2 divided by 5. We shall use the long division method. 5 into 2, 4, 20. The answer is 0.4. Then 27% is the same as 27 divided by 100, and then 0.27, 1/3. We shall use the long division method to convert into a decimal. So 3 into 1, 3910, 3910. So the answer is 3.333. Now we are to arrange the items in descending order. Descending order means the biggest number first. The biggest among the decimals is 1, followed by 2, followed by 3, and followed by 4. So the biggest among the items is 1, which corresponds with 2/5. Then 2, which corresponds with 1/3. Then 3, which corresponds with 0.32. Then 4, which corresponds with 27%. This is the same as the sequence in D, so the answer is D.
Question 7. The ratio 8:12 is equivalent to y:9. What is the value of y? That is 8:12 equals to y:9. This is equivalent to 8 divided by 12 to be equal to y divided by 9. We shall cross multiply. That is, we shall multiply 12 by y and equate to 9 multiplied by 8. That is 12 times y to be equal to 8 times 9. So we shall divide 2 by 12. Y equals to 8 times 9 divided by 12. 4 goes here, 3, 4 goes here, 2, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 3. So the answer is 3 times 2, which is 6. So C. Question 8. Write 0.55 as a fraction in its lowest term. That is 0.55. We shall multiply by 100 and divide by 100. This equals to 55 divided by 100. 5 goes here, 11. 5 goes here, 20. So the answer is 11/20, which is B. Question 9. Which solid figure can be made from the net below? The answer is B. Square pyramid. Question 10. Simplify 5w plus 7p squared minus 4w plus 3p squared. We shall group like items. That's 5w minus 4w plus 7p squared plus 3p squared. 5 minus 4 is 1, so w over here. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 10p squared. So the answer is B. Question 11. Osei bought a hat for 5 Ghana cedis and sold it to Yavi at a profit of 20%. How much did Yavi pay for the hat? The profit is 20% of 5, which equals to 20 over 100 times 5, which equals to 20 goes here 1, 20 goes here 5, 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 1, which equals to 1. The selling price equals to the cost price plus the profit. the cost price is 5 Ghana cedis and the profit is 1 cedi. So the selling price is 6 Ghana cedis, which equals to Z. Question 12. Simplify 2 raised to the power 9 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Since it's division, we shall subtract the indices. So 2 raised to the power 9 minus 3, which equals to 2 raised to the power 6. So the answer is B. Question 13. Find the image of Monastery under the mapping. S maps into 2 times into brackets S plus 3. That is, S maps into 2 times into brackets S plus 3. So Monastery will map into 2 times Monastery plus 3. Monastery plus 3 is 0. So 0. The answer is A. Question 14. The football field is 120 meters long and 75 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the field? The perimeter P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth, which equals to 2 times 120 plus 2 times 75. 2 times 120 equals to 240, and 2 times 75 equals to 150. So the answer is 390, which equals to B. Question 15. A tank holds 240 liters of water. How much water is in the tank when it is 4/5 full? Thus, we shall find 4/5 of 240. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 48. So 4 times 48, 48 times 4, 4 times 8, 32, 33, 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 9. So the answer is 192, which equals to C. Question 16. A man bought 6 S sheep and 5 Y goats. He sells 3 S sheep and 2 Y goats. How many animals are left after the sale? The man bought 6 S sheep and then 5 Y goats and sold 3 S and then 2 Y. So the difference is going to be 3 Y plus 3 S, which equals to B. So the answer is B. The table below shows the average rainfall in a town from March 2003 to August 2003. Question 17. What was the total amount of rainfall in May, June, July? The amount of rainfall in May was 281, and then in June was 452. Let us add up. 337, and then in July is 265,899. So the answer is C. Question 18. What was the mean rainfall in the town over the 6 months? We shall add 96 to the above total. 14, 18, 19, 10. Then 147, 147, 11, carry 1, 14, and then 12, then 139, 0, 7, 8, 3, and then 1. Now this is the total for 6 months. That is 1380 divided by 6 months. We shall get 6 goes here 1, 6 goes here 2, 3, and then 0. So the answer is A. Question 19. A trader buys a dozen pens at 4 Ghana cedis 80 pesos and sells them at 48 Ghana cedis each. Find her percentage profits. The cost price for one pen is going to be 4 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. Divided by 12. 12 is 1 dozen, or 480 Ghana pesos divided by 12. 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 40. So the cost price is 40 Ghana pesos. The selling price is 48 Ghana pesos. Therefore, the profit is going to be 48 minus 40, which is equal to 8 Ghana pesos. So the percentage profit is going to be equal to 8 divided by 40 times 100%. 0 cancels 0. This goes here too, so 20%. So the answer is D. Question 20. Find the angle through which the minute hand of a clock moves from 5:15 p.m. to 5:25 p.m. Let us make a rough sketch of the clock. From 5:15 p.m. to 5:25, the minute hand will move from 3 to 5, a difference of 2. So the angle is going to be 2 divided by 12 times 360 degrees. 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 30. So 60 degrees, which equals to C.